Today I'm sharing my ultimate cheesy beef and shells that's so creamy and flavorful you'll want to dive right in.
I'm Roselli. Let's get cooking.
First, bring a pot of water to a boil. We'll need it for pasta later. While that's heating up, let's focus on our meat. In a large pan, add 2 pounds of ground beef. Using a meat chopper makes breaking it up quick and easy. I highly recommend it. If you want to grab one, I've got links in the description below or in my bio. Now let's cook the beef until it's nicely brown. Keep an eye out for any excess fat. If you see a pool like this, make sure to drain it out so your dish isn't too greasy. Now add half of a diced onion to the brown beef and give it a good stir. Let those flavors melt for about a minute. Next, toss in 3 cloves of minced garlic, or about 3 teaspoons if you're using jar garlic, and stir for about 15 seconds to release that irresistible aroma. For seasoning, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and remember you can always add more later. Mix everything together so those spices coat the beef evenly. Now pour in a jar of marinara sauce. My favorite is Bertolli, but you can use your favorite brand. Then add 1 cup of heavy cream for that rich, creamy texture, and 1.5 cups of beef broth to deepen the flavor. Give it all a good stir and turn the heat down to low while we cook the pasta. By now your water should be boiling. Add a box of Barilla medium shells. They take about 8 minutes to cook al dente. Once they're ready, drain and add them directly into your saucepan. Toss everything together so those shells are coated in this meaty goodness. I like to turn the heat up slightly to bring it to a gentle simmer, then add just the salt and pepper if needed. Once it's simmering, turn the heat back down to low. Now it's time for the cheese layer. I prefer shredded sharp cheddar and quesadilla cheese because they melt beautifully, or cheddar and mozzarella. If you're in a pinch, you can use a bag of pre-shredded cheddar and Colby Jack, though I always recommend shredding your own cheese for the best melt and flavor. Sometimes I sprinkle a little parmesan on top, but that's optional. I don't measure my cheeses, just add as much or as little cheese as your heart desires. Cover the pan and let it cook on low for about 5 minutes until that cheese is irresistibly gooey and melted. Just before serving, sprinkle some chopped parsley for a fresh pop of flavor and color. And now, one of the best parts, serving. This dish is a family favorite, super easy and totally delicious. After plating, I like to garnish with a little more parsley and a dash of pepper. As I show you the final shot, imagine the taste. Creamy, cheesy, savory, with tender beef and perfectly cooked shells. It's comfort food at its best.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!